Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel again. Today I'm going to show you a 20-foot container shop that boasts elegant bending windows, a pristine double coat of paint, complete with electrical wiring and a secure roller shutter door. The roller shutter door ensures an ideal blend of style and functionality. The welding on this 20-foot container is a masterpiece, ensuring robust doors, sturdy partitions and a seamless roller shutter door, combining strength and aesthetic flawlessly. Our welders ensured good installation of the frameworks for partition and the roller shutter door. This 20-foot container shop showcases a meticulous double coat painting, delivering a pristine finish that enhances durability while executing an inviting polished appearance. Precise electrical wiring empowers this container shop with seamless functionality and illumination.